The President Draupadi Murmu presented wings and brevets to the flying officers and commissioned Indian Air Force trainees in the flying branch and trainees in the ground duty branch on completion of the training today. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar conferred the 4th National Water Awards in New Delhi today. Cyclone Biparjoy, which made landfall in Gujarat's coastal area, has now weakened into a deep depression and is expected to weaken further into a depression during the next 6 hours. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has asked the officials to strengthen the goods and service tax registration process by leveraging technology to curb the entry of fake entries in the GST ecosystem. In the Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament, India's HS Pranoy will take on top seed Victor Axelsen of Denmark in men's singles semi-finals at Jakarta today.